Hi guys, welcome back to Jaden Crafts, and today we're gonna be doing an Instagram Q&A. So let's get the show on the road. Okay, so I have my questions written down on this clipboard right there. A little sneak peek for you. But if I'm looking down, then that's probably why. So, first question. What is one of your favorite bracelets that you have made? Oh, I have a lot of favorites, but if I were to choose, it would be my Starburst bracelet or my butterfly bracelet. I love all of these bracelets so much. I don't know why, I just love them so much. They're so pretty. But yeah, that's besides the point. I just love them. I just love them. I just love them. But yeah, next question. Will you ever have a shop? I don't know. I don't think so, but maybe if I want to, maybe in the future, but like opening a shop is just too much and I'm kind of lazy. But yeah, I might do it in the future. I just don't know. I don't know. That's my answer. I don't know. Next question. Any unpopular bracelet opinions? I have some, but I don't know if they're like popular or whatever, or unpopular. I don't know. But I can't use tape. Like, I literally hate using tape to tape down my bracelets unless it's for a tutorial. And I literally have to stop like halfway through the tutorial and just like sit down. Like, ugh, it hurts my neck. I hate it so much. I have to have a clipboard like this, and I have to be knotting like this. I don't know how people do it. Like, they knot like this and it hurts my neck. Okay, like, break it off. Like, how do you do that? Okay, my other one is I don't really like triangle ends on alphas. I know. I literally did a video. My last video was about triangle ends. I know. I just don't. It's just extra work. And again, I'm pretty lazy. That's my answer. But yeah, those are pretty much the only ones I can think of. I probably have some more, but I just can't think of them. So, next one. How do you get lots of followers? Sis, I don't even know. I'm just a random girl wanting to make videos about bracelets and crafts or whatever. And I'm just myself, and apparently people like that. So I don't know. I don't know. And on Instagram, I just made a bracelet account and I was like, oh, this is cool. And then there was like this one bracelet person that followed me, and then a ton of bracelet people kept following me, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm being accepted into their community. It was like so heartwarming, and they're just so nice. Everyone in the bracelet community is so very nice. And yeah, I can't really give you any tips because I don't even know. I just started this on random and I was like, oh, people actually like me. So I don't know. But yeah. What keychain do you like the best in your collection that you have made? Probably Billy. He is the man. It's like I adopted him, you know? I just got him off of a random generator and he popped up and I was like, that is my son. Let me show you the king. Here is this absolute king, Billy. Billy, I mean, he speaks for himself. He's pretty lit, not gonna lie. So, this is my favorite keychain. And I'm actually getting better at keychains, and I'm pretty psyched about it. So yeah, love Billy. Love him so much. Next one. Favorite type of bracelet? I think she means like alpha or like normal pattern, I'm pretty sure. But I like both. I would say I like patterns more though, because you have, I don't know, it just makes it's, I can't explain this, but it's just like, there's so many options. So I don't know. I like both of them. But with alphas, I'm kind of limited because I don't like making alphas that are like multiple colors. Like that just like scares me. So probably normal pattern bracelets because I have more options, but just depends on the pattern. So I don't really know. How old are you? That's a pretty good question. I am 13 right now, and I turn 14 on June 30th. That's not too far away. I'm gonna be a freshman, and I'm not too psyched about it, but yeah. Next question. Favorite pattern to knot/do? Actually, I'm working on it right now. I love this pattern so much. I'm pretty sure it's by Claire, and Masha is doing a challenge for this or whatever, stay-at-home challenge. And I freaking love this bracelet. Oh, little sneak peek. But yeah, this bracelet is and this pattern is so pretty. Oh, there's like a glare. Do you see that? It's so pretty. I love this pattern. And Claire really knows how to make patterns and have good structured patterns. And this one is so good. I don't remember the number, but I'll just pop it up. So if you want to go make that, pretty lit. But next question. Favorite string color to use? I would say probably yellow, because I use that in a lot of my bracelets, and also blue. Yellow and blue. I love those two colors are my favorite colors. So, favorite color combination. Ooh, that's a good one. Okay, I have two. Probably like the sunset colors, like from red to orange to yellow, or like some sunset colors. And then I also like neon colors, especially against a black background, like these right here, actually. I love neon, I love the sunrise. So yeah, that's my two favorites. Next one. How did you get started? I think she means like, how'd you get started on making bracelets, actually. This is a funny story because it kind of happened at like a coincidence. I was driving on a road trip to my next soccer game in Oklahoma City or something like that. Somewhere in Oklahoma. And me and my friend, I was in my friend's car, and she was like, oh, I have these strings. She showed me a box of the strings, and I was like, oh my gosh, we should make something out of them. And I just like made like this random thing. I don't even know what I did at the first time. I did not know what I was doing. It turned out really, really, really bad. And yeah, so I looked it up, and I was like, oh, this is cool. We can make like a little candy stripe pattern is what it was called. And I was like, oh my gosh. But then I didn't really get it. So then I like started the bracelet. I made like the overhand knot. And then we went into Chili's and we saw our other friend, my Aiko, and my first friend was Jill, which has been featured on this channel many times. But we love Jill. Aiko said, oh my gosh, I know how to do that. Let me teach you. And yeah, she taught me how to make the candy stripe. And from then on, it's history. I figured out that you could do chevrons, you can do arrowheads, you can do all these crazy stuff. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cool. I want to keep doing this. And yeah, this is what my first bracelet turned out like. Let me actually show you because it was not that good. But this is the iconic bracelet that I made at Chili's. You might have saw this in my bracelet collection, my first video ever. But yeah, this is the bracelet that I made at Chili's. And it is very, very ratchet. but it's my first bracelet, so yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. But yeah, that's how I got into knotting bracelets. And pretty iconic story, not gonna lie. I don't know how I still remember that. But yeah, next question. When did you start knotting? Oh, this correlates with the other one. But I think it was back in like fall of 2018, like somewhere around November and October, something like that. So fall of 2018, that was a long time ago. And I'm still friends with both of them, so pretty lit. But this is the last question, and it is, how long does it take you to make a bracelet? Honestly, it just depends on the bracelet. So, let me tell you how long it took me to make the Starburst bracelet. It took me like 10 hours to make this Starburst bracelet. 10 hours. I mean, that's pretty normal for a thick bracelet like this. And I'm pretty sure this one's gonna take me like 6 to 7 hours, but I don't know. And then my candy stripe bracelet that I made for a tutorial took me about like an hour and a half. So it literally just depends on the bracelet. And if it's a thicker bracelet, it's gonna take me longer. And the normal amount of time it takes me at minimum is like 3 hours for a normal sized bracelet. But for a candy stripe, it's different because it's kind of small. So yeah, that's pretty much how long it takes me. It just depends on the pattern. So yeah, that is pretty much all of the Instagram Q&A. And if you want to be able to participate and ask questions I might actually do this again. So if you want to be a part of my Q&As in the future, then make sure to follow my Instagram. Little plug for you. But yeah, this was kind of something different, something new, something cool. I don't know. I just wanted to do something different. So I hope you enjoyed this Q&A with me and you got to know some little tips and tricks and things about me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a wonderful day. And yeah, if you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up down below me. And also subscribe to the Crafty family because we are pretty sick. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. And yeah, bye guys.